My name is Jan Dagunatha from Dunagiri. I'm little Tori. One day, frog decided to fly puppetry. All the other frogs thought that, hey, it's impossible, you cannot do it, get the. But the frog flying puppetry anyway. How was it possible? Because the frog was deaf. And he thought, and everyone is encouraged to climb puppetry. The moral of the story, if you want to read your goal, you have to deaf the negative command. Thank you.
Everyone.